Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about the Kumkumadi Thailam range that has been clinically proven to give brighter and more youthful skin in 28 days. Kama Ayurveda was one of the first Ayurvedic brands I ever tried, and their Kumkumadi Thailam remains one of the best in the market. And today I'm going to show you 4 of their products and how you can use them in your morning and evening routine to get skin that is more youthful, radiant and even in tone. Let's first talk about what Kumkumadi Thailam actually is. It is a facial oil based on an ancient Ayurvedic recipe, and it is so effective and magical because of the power of red gold saffron, which is kumkum in Sanskrit. Kumkumadi Thailam is prepared with a paste of over 14 herbs. These ingredients are first made into a decoction, and then sesame oil is added to absorb the potency of the herbs. The result is a skin healing and brightening face oil that is suitable for all skin types and works in a slow and sustained manner for complete rejuvenation of the skin. Now let's understand what makes the Kama Ayurveda Kumkumadi Thailam the best. Kumkum refers to the red stigmas of the crocus sativus flower. Kama Ayurveda's recipe is based on Kashmiri saffron from Pampur, enriched with phytoactive molecules. Saffron stigmas offer a potent youth-generating blend of crocin and vitamins A, B and C. And this combination helps renew the skin on a cellular level. The presence of this carotenoid is highly antioxidant, which helps in fighting against the aging stressors. Vitamin A, which is a retinoid, helps with overall skin renewal. Vitamin B aids cell regeneration, and vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps with pigmentation control. Kama Ayurveda's Kumkumadi Facial Oil is a traditional preparation found in Ashtang Hridayam, which is one of the root texts of Ayurveda. And following this ancient recipe with high quality natural ingredients and precision gives you this age-defying formula. Ingredients are carefully chosen to balance the 3 doshas and rekindle the natural radiance of the skin. While the star product of the range is the oil itself, you will find the Kumkumadi Thailam in the day and night cream as well. So here is the routine. In the day after cleansing, we will use the brightening by Phase Essence. Now this is a wonderfully lightweight product and it gives you a golden glow, just this beautiful dewy finish, but it's still suitable enough for the daytime. I love that it comes in a spray format that makes it just so easy to use. It contains Kumkumadi Thailam, the oil itself, along with ingredients such as licorice root that helps with pigmentation, aloe vera leaf juice, which I really like for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. The next step is the day cream, and this is wonderful for anyone who's struggling with dryness. It has this luscious, creamy, blendable formula. It contains pure Kashmiri saffron, licorice root, vetiver extract and lotus flower extract, which have a calming effect and also help reduce post-inflammatory pigmentation over time. And because this is your day routine, make sure you follow this up with a sunscreen. And then for the night time, after removing your makeup and cleansing your skin, we are going to do a 2-step routine, this time with the Kumkumadi Thailam, the oil itself and the night cream. The Kumkumadi Thailam is a very versatile product. You can use it in many different ways. You can use this directly on your skin. You can use a few drops of this to supercharge your night cream. You can also use a thick layer of this like a face mask. And the best thing about a facial oil is that you can use it to give yourself a really relaxing face massage. With regular use, what you'll notice is an improvement in the overall skin tone, a reduction in dark spots, and your lines and wrinkles might start to look a bit softer. So what you have is skin that looks more radiant and more youthful. Kama Ayurveda's best-selling Kumkumadi Thailam Facial Oil gives you a complete Ayurvedic solution for youthful and radiant skin, and this also has a size upgrade now. This also comes in 30 ml. This is suitable for all skin types and it is 100% authentic Ayurvedic formulation. This luscious fine oil is an Ayurveda legend with efficacy now proven by modern science. Scientific tests have now confirmed the power of Kumkumadi, and Kama Ayurveda's Kumkumadi Thalam is clinically proven to show 100% youthful, brighter skin based on a clinical study. While the facial oil is the star of the routine, I love the night cream as well. I found it really lightweight and suitable for my combination skin. I've also found it very effective against blemishes, which is something I was not expecting. It helps dry out blemishes overnight, and I feel like it's the perfect complement to the Kumkumadi Thalam. With this routine, you'll definitely see an improvement in the overall tone and clarity of your skin. You know, sometimes we expect skincare to work instantly, but with Ayurvedic formulations, we need to remember that these work in a slow and sustained manner, so you need to stay with it to see the results. Give yourself at least 28 days to see the benefits on your skin. I think this routine is going to be perfect for brides-to-be who are looking for a pre-wedding routine that will give them really radiant skin on the D-Day, or for anyone really who's looking for an all-natural plant-powered Ayurvedic routine for brighter, more youthful skin. And that's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. I'm going to leave all the product information and the links in the description box below. And if you've tried these products, I'd love to know what you think. And just FYI, Kama Ayurveda now has 65 stores across the country, so you can visit any one of these stores to know more and to get a personalized consultation. They also have an online consultation option with great offers. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you soon in my next video. Bye.